Hello, Joey here, and I want to take a minute to tell you about Animation Bootcamp, the ultimate animation training course from School of Motion. This is the course that I wish had existed when I was starting out. I had discovered studios like MK12 and Buck, and I wanted my stuff to look like their stuff, and it wasn't even close, and I didn't know why. When most of us start learning After Effects, we spend a lot of time watching tutorials on specific looks and searching for effects and plugins to make our work look better. We make ourselves good at After Effects, which is the wrong approach. And the result is, you end up starting every project, opening up After Effects, and then sitting there with a pit in your stomach, hoping that by the end of this project, you'll somehow find some good animation by nudging the keyframes around a whole bunch. At least that's how it was with me, and I suspect that for a lot of you out there, this sounds very familiar. You're a motion designer, but you have no background in motion. The good news is there's a solution. Learn to animate. Animation Bootcamp focuses on the craft, the fundamentals of animation, and then shows you how to apply those principles and techniques like a motion designer. This course is intense and interactive, and once it starts, you're given almost daily doses of animation lessons, interviews with top animators, helpful PDF cheat sheets, and more. You'll get access to a private group where you can hang out with your fellow students and get critiques and encouragement. You'll also get targeted critiques on everything you turn in by one of our amazing TAs. This course is hard. It takes a real commitment to complete it, but if you can suck it up for a few short weeks, the results are incredible.
I noticed really great projects from all these amazing motion studios on Vimeo, and then comparing it to my work, mine just fell flat. So I signed up for Animation Bootcamp, and when Joey breaks down, I mean, they're like the secrets to great work.
The teaching was spectacular. The Facebook group was incredible. Digging into student work that was so eye-opening to see an animation that didn't quite feel right, and Joey goes in there and says, "This is what you need to tweak." Oh, now I see, now I get it. That was awesome.
Before I started, there was a lot of time that I spent on my projects. It took me a while. I was afraid to try new things, and then after I did it, it was like I was doing things that I saw other people do and that I didn't know how they did it, and now I can do it a lot quicker. I can think of it on the spot. And
I noticed a night and day difference in my skills just halfway through the course.
You learn how to use the graph editor, everything made more sense, everything started looking better.
After this course, I can definitely achieve anything that I plan in my head.
After I did boot camp, I actually met a couple of people, and we're talking about doing freelance, hopefully. I'm networking with more people now, I'm more confident.
And I absolutely loved it, and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to become a professional motion designer.
If you've got questions about signing up for Animation Bootcamp, just do it. It's worth it.
Class sizes are limited to ensure a lot of interactivity between you and your classmates and your TAs. When the registration window opens, don't wait too long to sign up because this course is sold out very quickly in the past. So good luck, and I hope to see you in boot camp.